Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. If you want to learn Quran properly, then subscribe our channel. Let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. خا لام فتحة خل قاف دبل فتحة قن خا لام فتحة قل قاف دبل فتحة قن خلقا 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 fast خلقا خلقا خلقا. While fast, this alif will be read. If you stop, this alif will be read. خلقا خلقا. Kha and Qaf both are heavy letters. Sin ba patha sab. Ha double patha han. Sabhan 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 sabhan. Pause. Sabha 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 sabha. While reading Sin, whistle sound will comes out, and Sin is light letter. Sabha sabha sabha. Next is Sin ba patha sab. Qab double patha qan. Sab qan sab qan sab qan sab qan. While pass sab qa sab qa sab qa. Next is Sheen alif patha sha. Due to this jazam, we will jerk here on alif. Sha sha. Sheen alif patha sha. Sheen alif patha sha. Noon double damma nun. Sha nun sha nun sha nun. Pass sha sha. Swad ba damma sub. Swat is heavy letter. Whistle sound will comes out of the mouth. While reading Swad, whistle sound will comes, but it is heavy letter. We will read it heavily. The while pronouncing Swad, Swad, the sound will fill in the mouth. Swad ba damma sub. Swad ba damma sub. Ha double patha han. Subhan 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 subhan. While pass subha subha subha. Ba is qalqala letter. Here the sound bounce. Sub sub subhan 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 subha. While pass subha. Dod ba patha dob. Ha double patha han. Dob han dob han dob han. Dod ba patha dob. Ha double patha han. Dob han dob han dob han dob han. Pause. Dob ha dob ha dob ha dob ha dob ha. While reading dod, the side of the tongue will touch the molar, upper molar. Dobha. Ain ba patha ab. Ain ba patha ab. Ain ba patha ab. Dal double patha dan. Ab dan ab dan ab dan. While pause. Abda 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 abda. While reading Ain, the sound will comes from the middle of the throat. Ain dal patha ad. Ain dal fatha ad. Noon double kasra nin. Ad nin, ad nin, ad nin. While pause adn, 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 adn. Ain dal fatha ad. Noon double kasra nin. Ad nin, ad nin. Ain fatha and Hamza fatha. The sound is different. Ain sheen fatha ash. Ain sheen fatha ash. Ra double kasra rin. Ashrin, 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 ashrin. While past ash. When Ra has kasra sign, it will be read lightly. If Ra has fatha sign or double fatha or dhamma sign or double dhamma or double fatha, it will be read heavily. When Ra has kasra sign or double kasra, it will be read lightly. Ashrin, 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 ashrin. While past ash. Ain swad fatha os. Ain swad fatha os. Fa double kasra fin. Asfin, asfin, asfin. While past asf, asf. Next, ghain and qab both are heavy letter, and we will also read ra heavy because the letter before it has fatha sign. Ghain ra fatha ghar. Qab double fatha qan. Gharqan, 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 gharqan. While pause, gharqa, gharqa, gharqa. Next is ghain lam damma ghul. Ghain lam damma ghul. Ba double fatha ban. Ghulban, ghulban, ghulban. While pause, ghulba, ghulba. While reading ghain, the sound comes from upper part of the throat. Ghain lam damma ghul. Ba double fatha ban. Ghulban, ghulban, ghulban. While pause, ghulba, ghulba, ghulba. Next is fa swat fatha pas. Fa swat fatha pas. Fa swat fatha pas. Lam double damma lun. Faslun, faslun, faslun. Fa swat fatha pas. Lam double damma lun. Faslun, faslun, faslun. While pause, fasl. Qab dal fatha qad. Qab dal fatha qad. Qab dal fatha qad. Ha double fatha han. Qad han, qad han, qad han. Pause qad ha, qad ha. Dal is qalqala letter. Here the sound will bounce. Qad, qad, qad. Ha double fatha han. Qad han, qad han. Pause qad ha, qad ha. Alhamdulillah, we read up to qad ha. The next letters will be read in the next class. Now read without spelling. Khalqan, khalqan. Pause khalqa. Sabhan, sabhan, sabhan. Pause sabha. Sabqan, sabqan, sabqan. Pause sabqa. Sha'nun, sha'nun, sha'nun. Pause sha. Subhan, subhan. Pause subha. ضبحا 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 ضبحا. Pause. ضبحا ضبحا. عبدا عبدا. Pause. عبدا. عدن عدن. Pause. عدن. عشر عشر عشر. Pause. عشر. عصف عصف عصف. Pause. عصف. غرقا غرقا. Pause. غرقا. غلبا غلبا غلبا. Pause. غلبا. فصل فصل فصل. Pause. فصل. قدحا قدحا قدحا. Pause. قدحا. قضبا قضبا قضبا. Pause. قضبا قضبا. Alhamdulillah, we will read inshallah the next lines in the next period. Subscribe our channel and like the videos also and share it. Assalamu alaikum.